Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded a makeup related video in a while, but I haven't really had time to do makeup, sit down and do makeup because I've been back in school lately and I've been really busy with studying and homework and all of that. So yeah, today for you guys, I'm going to record my updated eyebrow routine if you guys are interested. I noticed that I change up my eyebrow routine a lot, but this is how I currently do it and how it looks now. I just kind of try and do like a more natural eyebrow, I guess, where I try to incorporate hair-like strokes. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows now, please keep on watching. I'm still using my favorite Anastasia brow wiz, and I use the color dark brown. So what I do first, I've already waxed my eyebrows, so I won't have to pluck any little hairs. But I just brush out my eyebrows first. And then I take the brow pencil and I kind of start in the middle of my brow. So I'll begin right here and I'll just start making small hair-like strokes. It's so weird because like these strokes are coming out way thinner than the ones on this eyebrow, but it's like the way I hold the pencil kind of decides if the strokes are thick or thin. But I like the strokes to be thinner to look more like hairs. And you just want to get use a lighter hand as you go towards the middle of the brow or the front of the brow. Is that better? But yeah, so I've just done a few brow strokes or a few hair strokes going towards the center of my brow. And now we're going to work our way towards the back of the brow. And so when I get about here, starting from the top of the brow, I'll make hair strokes down. And then I kind of just, when I get to the tail of the brow, I kind of just fill it in like I normally would. So, and then I'm gonna go ahead and brush out the tail of my brow. And I'm gonna barely brush out the front of my brow because I really want those hair-like strokes to stay in place, so I don't want to brush them out too much. So I'll just kind of go over it once or twice. And now I'm gonna take this flat shader brush. It's a synthetic brush, and it is a MAC 242. I got it a long time ago. MAC is not cruelty-free, but I just use it because what I have, and it's actually a really good brush. But yeah, just a disclaimer, MAC is not cruelty free, but I'll just use this to, and I'm gonna use some Colourpop no filter concealer, and I'm going to carve out my brows. Okay, so once I've carved out my brow, I'm gonna take a fluffy shadow brush, and this one's also synthetic, and I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. My brow routine is really straightforward. It's really simple, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.